Have you ever wondered if animals can talk? Do they talk to one another? Do they talk to us? Have you ever read a book about talking animals? What about watching a movie where animals talk to one another? Do you think it's real? What about our animals at home? Do they talk to us? I think they do, but they don't use words, do they? What is my dog Hudson saying in this picture? He's telling me he wants to come inside when he sits at the door. And what about cats? Do they talk? If they sit in front of their food bowl and meow, is that telling us that they are hungry? What about other animals? Let's think about whales for a minute. Has anyone heard a whale talk? Let's listen to this. Talking animals are sometimes used in movies and books to tell a story.
Who dares enter my room?
Sorry, I hope I'm not interrupting, but I'm told you're the one to talk to about an ogre problem?
You're told, correct. But for these, I charge a great deal of money.
The story we're going to read today is about Turtle, who likes to go on adventures. When he tells his friends about his adventures, they don't really believe him. How do you think Turtle may have felt when his friends didn't believe him? Do you think he felt happy, or sad, or disappointed? Let's read the story and find out.